loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I'm using the Gal Pro concealer, and this is in the shade medium beige, and I'm just basically applying that all over my lid, and I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush. For eyeshadow, I'm going to dip into this dark brown color, and I'm going to just tap that on the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm dipping into this lighter brown color, and I'm going to use that to blend the outer edges of the first color that I applied. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush to do that. And then I'm going to go back into the dark brown just to make sure that we don't lose out that color. And then next I'm going to do a blended cut crease, and I'm using the Gal Pro concealer just to make sure that it gives me a good base for the shadow that I'm going to apply on top. And for the shadow that I'm going to apply, I'm taking this yellow matte color, and I'm going to just place that on top of where I apply the concealer. And then next I'm taking some eyelash glue, and I'm just simply using that to draw a line just across my crease area, and then after I'm gonna apply some glitter on top of the glue. The glitter I used is just some eyeshadow glitter, and it's gold. I'm then gonna go off camera and apply my false eyelashes, and then come back for the face. So for foundations today, I'm using these two Maybelline foundations. One is in the shade caramel and the other is in the shade cappuccino. I'm just using a buffing brush to apply the foundation onto my skin. Then to highlight my face, I'm using the same Gal Pro concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm just simply gonna highlight on all the places that I want to bring forward. That is my under eye, around my chin area, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and then my forehead as well. Then to contour, I'm using this foundation stick from Back Opal and it's in the shade Mocha. And I'm going to be contouring the perimeters of my face. I'm using this angled brush to blend in that foundation. I'm then going to set my concealer with a setting powder, and this one is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just simply applying that on all the places where I highlighted, and I'm using the same brush that I applied for the concealer to set the concealer as well. Next, I'm also going to take this bronzer and set all the places that I contoured, because it's a cream contour. We need to set it so that it doesn't move around. Using the same bronzer to contour my nose as well. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just simply using a black pencil and applying that on my waterline, and some mascara on the bottom lashes, and then I'm applying some blush as well on my cheeks. Highlight above my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, and on the brow bone as well. I'm also applying the highlighter on the inner tear duct as well. I'm then going to set my face with a setting spray, and for the lips, guys, I used two colors. I used a maroon lipstick and then blended it with a nude lipstick as well. So on top, I'm just adding some gloss just to complete the look. And yeah, that is it. So guys, this is my finished look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know about your thoughts, share if you can, subscribe as well if you have not yet already. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.